Hi there, my name is Raj and welcome to Cyberspeak, where we're solving the communication problem in cybersecurity. So picture this, you've done everything right to break into cyber, you've followed the right YouTubers to keep up with the changing tech, you have put in the work on your certifications, and you know your stuff. But when it's time to speak up in meetings, interviews, or to non-technical people, you feel that knot in your stomach and you hold back. That fear usually isn't about knowledge. It comes from a lack of reps, repeating your ideas out loud in different ways and to different audiences. The truth is, soft skills are no longer nice to have in cyber. They're what gets you heard, promoted, and trusted by leaders and clients. But most of us never got a safe place to practice speaking, telling our stories, or explaining risk in plain language. That's exactly why Cyberspeak exists. Cyberspeak is a practice-first, Toastmaster-style community for cybersecurity professionals who want to become clear, confident communicators. We run frequently weekly sessions where everyone gets a chance to speak about security topics, interview questions, incident stories, executive briefings, and so much more. You'll get supportive practical feedback from people who actually understand security. Cyberspeak is primarily built for professionals with 1 to 5 years of experience, but experienced leaders are absolutely welcome to join. Now, this is the first week of 2026. If communication has been holding you back, make this the year you change that. The only way to get better at speaking is to speak. So join Cyberspeak now. Show up, practice, and become fluent in cyber. Make 2026 your year.